Think about all the money that's ever passed through your hands. Every paycheck, every tip, every gift, every side hustle payment. Now imagine adding it all up. Thousands? Tens of thousands? Maybe even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Here is the question that most people never stop to ask. How much of it do you still have? If you made $20,000 last year and you're 25, think back to when you were 18, earning your first $150. The truth is simple. If you don't master money, money will master you. So in this video, you'll learn 25 money rules that can completely change your financial life. Not just theory, real, practical principles that separate the wealthy from the broke. Let's dive in. Rule 1. The more you learn, the more you earn. Every dollar you make is a reflection of what you know and how well you use it. Learn valuable, income-generating skills, finance, communication, digital marketing, investing. Read books like The Richest Man in Babylon and Think and Grow Rich. The world rewards value, and value comes from knowledge. Rule 2. Money will not solve your insecurities. You can buy a mansion and still feel empty inside. True wealth is confidence, peace, and self-respect. Things money can't purchase. Learn to love yourself first. Otherwise, you'll keep spending to fill a hole that money can't fix. Rule 3. Money is a game of life. The rules keep changing, but the goal is simple. Play smarter, not harder. Treat money like a strategy game. Learn how it moves, study your next move, and remember, the more you play, the better you get. Rule 4. Don't let anyone know you have money. Quiet wealth is safe wealth. When people know you have it, they'll want a piece of it. Stay humble, stay private, and let your lifestyle whisper instead of scream. Rule 5. Invest time before you invest money. Time is your most powerful currency. Before you throw cash into anything, learn how it works. The time you spend studying finance and investing will save you from losing 10 times more later. Rule 6. Money is a game, and you can learn to win it. Start small. Learn how cash flow, saving, and investing really work. The moment you stop fearing money and start studying it, you begin to win. Rule 7. Surround yourself with people who make money. You can't grow if you're surrounded by people who don't. Energy, mindset, and habits are contagious. Learn from people who are already financially free. Rule 8. The greatest wealth is created during crises. Recessions make millionaires. When others panic, smart people prepare. The best opportunities always come when everyone else is afraid. Rule 9. Start saving little by little. You don't need to save $1,000 a month. Start with $10. Build the habit before the amount. Over time, your discipline will grow faster than your income. Rule 10. Control yourself. Financial success isn't about numbers, it's about emotions. Fear and greed destroy wealth. Discipline builds it. Learn to control your reactions and your money will follow. Rule 11. Spend less than you earn. Sounds simple, but it's the foundation of wealth. No matter how much you make, if you spend it all, you're broke. Always live below your means. Rule 12. As you grow older, your expenses will grow too. Inflation, lifestyle upgrades, family responsibilities, they all pile up. Keep your spending steady even when your income rises. Rule 13. Don't fly first class. Unless your investments pay for it, don't waste money to look rich. Comfort lasts hours. Growth lasts forever. Rule 14. Study your politicians. Policies shape your taxes, savings, and opportunities. Don't vote emotionally. Vote financially. Rule 15. Wealth builds over time. Compounding is slow, silent, but unstoppable. The earlier you start, the easier the game becomes. Rule 16. Don't let your money get bored. Money sitting idle is losing value. Put it to work. Invest, build, or grow something with it. Rule 17. Focus on your finances, not others. Comparison kills progress. Stop watching what others have and start building your own foundation. Rule 18. Money is neutral. It doesn't make you good or bad, it simply amplifies who you already are. Rule 19. Money flows to those who handle it well. Create things people value, manage money wisely, and wealth will find its way to you. Rule 20. Invest in yourself. You are your greatest asset. Every skill you master increases your earning potential. Rule 21. Diversify your income. Never rely on one source. Create multiple streams, active and passive. Rule 22. Practice delayed gratification. The rich wait, the poor rush. Every time you delay spending, you give your future self a raise. Rule 23. Leverage compounding. Reinvest everything, your earnings, your energy, your effort. Small steps daily create massive results over time. Rule 24. Practice gratitude. True wealth isn't just money, it's peace, purpose, and people. Appreciate what you have while working for more. Rule 25. Learn something few people can do. Rarity equals value. Whether it's coding, communication, or leadership, the more unique your skill, the higher your worth. Money follows mastery. Every rule you apply moves you one step closer to financial freedom. So don't just watch, act. Because the person who takes control of their money takes control of their life.